Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to check memory use on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. Here in settings, scroll down and go to system. Here in system, okay, scroll down again and you can see the developer options. If your developer option is off, okay, the first thing you can do is turn on the developer option by go to about phone. Okay, tap about phone. Here in about phone, scroll down and go to build number. Okay, to enable or turn on the developer option, you'll have to do is tap the build number 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you are now a developer. And go back on system settings. Now, here in system settings, you can see the developer option. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the developer option. Here in developer options, you can see the memory. Okay, to check the memory use on your itel device, okay, you'll have to do is tap this and you can see the information of your memory in your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, here, so you can see the performance, total memory, average use, and free memory of your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. Okay, we have successfully checked memory use on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.